Everyone, it's Eugene, and I'm with Mike Moulden. He's going to be a speaker at the Forensic Photography Symposium that's coming up on January 22nd to 25th. It's right around the corner. Mike, thank you so much for being here. We met in Riyadh, where you're located and teaching at the university, and you're going to be talking about fire scenes in particular. And so I'm curious about what you're going to talk to us about. What can you tell me about your presentation and what is unique about fire scenes?
Oh, well, thanks very much, Eugene. It's an absolute pleasure to be invited to speak, and I'm really looking forward to not just being a speaker, but also all the other content, some really good stuff coming up there. So, fire scene, I'm a fire scene investigator. That presents some different and unique challenges, I think, in terms of photography. So we're going to look at some old school techniques. We're just going to go through what's available, what some of the audience may or may not be aware of already. And then we'll look at sort of micro photography, macro photography. We'll look at some different alternative lighting techniques, and we'll just go through some practical sort of case studies and look at how to get better photographs out of fire scenes, make sure we're recording it, make sure that we sort of presenting the evidence as best we can in some often not just photographically wise, but sometimes physically difficult aspects in terms of confined spaces, and also in terms of just having your camera dirty and making sure that we keep the equipment up, running and working, so it's effective, really.
Yeah, the fire scenes are definitely a unique affair for sure, with all the things you have to deal with. So, folks, if you're interested, click on the link below. You can see Mike. You can see a whole bunch of other speakers at the Forensic Photography Symposium. Mike, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks very much, Eugene.